Well, hello everyone over there, my sweet little babies. कैसे हो आप लोग? Well, say hi to your new friend. Say hi, Pinky Monster. सोच रहे होगे ना कि पिंकी मॉन्स्टर कहाँ से आया? सो आज ये आर्टेमिस आपको ऐसे ही कुछ बनाना सिखाएगी. Today I'm not going to teach you any poem. Today I'm not going to teach you any lesson or story. But हम कुछ creative करेंगे. Excited to learn? Okay. आप लोगों को minions पता है? You all know what the minions, right? How they look like? They look like this. So ये मिनियन आपको मैं बनाना सिखाऊंगी इस छोटे से प्लास्टिक के बॉटल के साथ. Excited to learn? Okay. But before going to this, there are few instructions. आप जब भी कोई कटर या सिजर का यूज़ करोगे, you have to do it with the help of your parents or under parental supervision. This is because that won't cause any injuries to your fingers. Okay? Alright. So let us learn about what all you require. First, you require is the small plastic bottle like this. Okay, this is easily available with you all. So I'll be using this small plastic bottle. Now, as you're going to do a minion, you will require colors for that. Minion के colors कैसे होते हैं? They look like this. So कौन से colors है? Yellow, blue, right? So मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है yellow color and यहाँ पर लिया है blue color. Okay? Then you will require 3 paint brushes in order to paint your minion. You require a cutter or a sharp knife. Okay, to cut this bottle. Plastic bottle को cut करने के लिए आपको ऐसे cutter की ज़रूरत है. Again, what is the precaution over here? Under the parents' help or parents' supervision. Okay, and then I took eyes for the minions. अगर ये आपके पास नहीं है तो आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड देन आई टुक द बटरफ्लाई ट्रे, राइट, एंड अ बाउल विद वाटर. लेट अस लर्न. इससे पहले पिंकी मॉन्स्टर को टाटा बोलो, बाय बाय. ओके, so let us assemble everything here. Okay, so I've assembled the cutter, I've assembled the bottles, I've took the paint brushes with me, I've kept the paint, water, tray, everything. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is cut this bottle into half, not exactly half, 1/4 and 3/4. Okay, with parents' care. So gently I am cutting this bottle. अगर आपको नहीं हो रहा है तो please take the help of your parents and make sure अगर आप कर रहे हो तो your hands should be at the back. Okay? You should not touch the edges. अगर आप यहाँ पर ऐसे कट करके काटोगे तो आपके fingers hurt हो सकते हैं. ठीक है? So what you're going to do is you're going to cut this bottle. इसको कोई शेप की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ इसको प्रॉपरली कट करना है. ठीक है? So after you cut, it will look something like this. Okay, so with this we are going to make our minion. And don't throw this part. There is something we are going to do with this also. It is going to be a secret in our next video. So don't dispose. Okay? Now, as you all know that plastics are not good for environment. They create pollution. That is why we have to do something best out of this waste जो आपको अजय आरती में सिखा रही है ना? Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll quickly paint this with yellow. So for that I'm using such broad brush. Okay, if you want you can add water. मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा water add करने वाली हूँ because it will save our paint. And always cover the paint. Okay, so हम इसको ऐसे paint करेंगे. See this? Paint this with yellow, it will look like this. Now what I have did is, I have painted only the uppermost part of the bottle with the yellow. Lowermost part को मैंने इसलिए छोड़ा है because वहाँ पर आपका आएगा blue. Okay, so इसे हम थोड़ी देर सूखने देते हैं, like around 10 minutes. Okay, and then we will begin with the coloring of the blue. This part is almost dry. So today, now what we're going to do is we'll be coloring this lowermost portion with this blue color. याद रखो ज़्यादा स्ट्रोक्स मारने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इवन इफ़ यू लुक लाइक ब्लू इट इज़ ओके. ओके, सो हम इस पूरे पोर्शन को ब्लू करें. नाउ वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट finished up the coloring of the minion base, okay, with the blue color. So once you finish up the coloring, this minion will look somewhat like this, है ना, real वाला minion जैसा. Okay, so you will have to leave it for 1 hour or 2 hours at least to make this color completely dry and leave and make sure that आप ये base और अंदर का पार्ट में कलर ना करें बिकॉज ये आपको पकड़ने में आसानी होगी वाइल कलरिंग. ओके, now so we'll keep this minion as it is, okay, to let it dry properly and then we will meet after. Well, hello kids. So this minion is almost dried. Okay, so अब हम उसका शर्ट बनाएंगे. Okay, so I've already started making it and just be very gentle. So this is how we are going to do it. First we are going to draw a square on the top. Okay, just be very careful, and the brush which we'll be using should be of very thin what we can say bristles. Okay, so the next part we are going to do is we'll be drawing the jacket. Okay, so the jacket has to go a round shape structure like this. Can you see this? Can you see this? But whenever you apply a stroke it should go upwards ऐसे. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको यहाँ दिखाती हूँ, देखो ऐसे. Now this is the top. Okay, so you will go nice. Okay, so you're going to cover up the circle like this. Okay, and don't use any water because already इस पे yellow color है, so that will that will look very shabby. मतलब बहुत गंदा दिखेगा वो because येलो में merge होके तीसरा कलर बन जाएगा. ठीक है, so हम इसको धीरे कोटिंग लगाते इसका हम जैकेट कंप्लीट करेंगे. I'm very excited to see how this minion turns out. Perfect. La. So my creative drawers ta-da! Is it ready? Okay, now what we're going to do is we will stick 2 eyes on the top. Okay, so as I said I'll be using this kind of eyes. I'm using these eyes. So we using glue, फेविकॉल. ठीक है, रेगुलर सा ग्लू है अपना, वो ग्लू को I'll place little bit of फेविकॉल at the back. Okay, and what you're supposed to do is hold like this. Okay, and place it at the top. Now why I have slanted it a little bit because वो eyes अच्छी तरह से उस पर चिपकने चाहिए. Okay, so similarly I'll be taking out another eye. See how it is looking. Nice. So here I'm taking out another eye. Okay, the same procedure. Apply the glue and make sure that after you use the glue, you have to cover it with the lead, वरना क्या हो जाएगा, वो glue सूख जाएगा. Okay, right. So this I will go. अगर आपको आईज एंड ऑल लगाने में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, प्लीज़ टेक हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. ओके, tada! Now we'll draw a sweet smile. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा sweet सा smile करेंगे. So for this also I'll be using the same brush which I used to shade the blue color dress, because the smile has to be very very thin. Okay, for the smile I'll be using the black color. So first I'll close this blue color, I'll put it inside my box, and here comes my black color. Alright, so we are going to keep us the same. थोड़ा सा फेविकॉल एंड ऑल चिपकने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. सो कैन यू सी दिस? It has to be very thin stroke. What I have did is I have used the same brush to do the highlight of this white. So here goes our sweet little minion. I hope you all enjoyed doing this, and I'll take your leave. See you. Bye bye.